Srimad-Bhagavatam. Let us do namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigama-kalpataror-galitam phalam Sukha-mukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamapeta-krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi is telling Saunaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, when Uttara was running towards Sri Krishna Paramatma, praying him to protect Pahi, Pahi, Mahayogin, Deva Deva Jagatpate. She is saying that, Uttara saying that to Sri Krishna Paramatma, Ho Deva Deva, Ho Jagannatha, Sri Krishna, I don't see any other than you that who can protect me. Ho Sri Krishna, I realize that everyone in this entire universe will have to go through the death. Then what else they can protect me? How they can protect me? Oh Sri Krishna, there is one arrow chasing me. Kamam dahatu mam nadha mame garbho nipatyatam. Oh Krishna, even that arrow, even if it is going to kill me, I have no worries. But please protect the child who is there in my womb. Oh Krishna, please take care of my child. When Uttara prayed like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma immediately realized that what exactly happened. What happened there? Aswathama, he shooted an astram called as Apandavamidam Kartum. He wanted to kill that last son, last generation of, last child of that Pandava Vamsam, who is there in that Uttara's Garbham, Uttara womb. So he shooted, Aswathama shooted an arrow to kill that. That is what Krishna Paramatma realized, and by then there were so many arrows coming towards Pandavas from Aswathama. Pandavas also started taking their own astras and getting ready. Krishna Paramatma realized all the Pandavas are in trouble now. So they just only rely on me. Those who believe in me, those who trust me, those who have faith in me, I should take care of them. That is what Krishna Paramatma immediately thought, and he has taken Sudarshanena Swastrena. He shooted his Sudarshanastram. Antasthaha sarvabhutanam atma yogeshwaro harihi. The one who is there within everyone's heart, such Sri Krishna Paramatma, with his Sudarshanastram, he shooted that Apandavastram which is shooted by Aswathama. He destroyed, Krishna Paramatma destroyed Apandavastram by his Sudarshanastram. And then with his miraculous form, Yoga Maya, Krishna Paramatma went into the Garbham, womb of Uttara, and started protecting that child. Suta Maharshi saying that, O Maharshis, Aswathama, whatever the arrow that Aswathama shooted is such a huge and very, very powerful missile. Even then, Krishna Paramatma, with his miraculous power, he chased that Apandavastram, he destroyed that Apandavastram. Samasamyat, completely Apandavastram got suppressed by Sudarshanastram. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.